Hello, I'm doing a gutter vacuum and a windows and frames on quite a large house. The large older style properties, a lot of the time you've got gullies and valleys, and on this one you've got this gully here that gets full up with leaves. So whenever you do a gutter vacuum, I always clear out the gullies. So it's a case of just scrambling up the ladder, down it over the roof into the gullies and hucking it all out with your hands. It ain't pretty, but it gets the job done. And also there's 3 concealed Veluxes here that I'll wash. So get my pole and chuck that over there. That's it. Scramble over this roof. So here's my gully. Get that cleared out. And there's me 3 Veluxes that have got to be washed. So let's get that done, yeah? Soon be Christmas. He's watching you. So that's it, gully cleared, Velux is washed.